Hi, everybody. Again, my name's Kodi. I am a professional health coach with the digital medicine program. Today, we're just going to go through a couple of things to reason with this season and how to practice a holistic health for the holidays. So, of course, during the holidays, we sometimes may not always feel that holiday spirit. With that, the National Alliance on Mental Health or Mental Illness did a study and found that 64% of individuals living with a mental illness feel that their symptoms usually worsen during the holidays. So what are some things that we can do to help during the holidays when we may feel that symptoms or feel that downness? So first and foremost, we can always acknowledge our feelings. Remember that we're not alone in feeling this way. Usually surrounding yourself with people that feel similar or know what you're going through or who understand you can also often help. Avoid using alcohol or other substances during the holidays. Sometimes alcohol can make those symptoms worse or make you feel even more down. And then lastly, you can always just celebrate your traditions, but also trying to create new ones. So whether it's with family, with friends, maybe taking some time for yourself, new traditions can always help help out with those symptoms and make you feel like a little bit better during the holidays. Next can be overwhelming with grief and loss during the holidays. Sometimes grief and loss can make celebrating a little more difficult. It can be easy to compare yourself to other situations, which can increase those feelings of sadness. So what can we do to help? You can always take time for yourself. Always make sure you're checking in with someone. So whether that be a support group, if you're seeing someone like a therapist, make sure you're checking in, scheduling regularly, or even if that support's just family and friends, make sure you're scheduling time with them. Have realistic expectations for those gatherings. So if it's something that you're not, comfortable with going to, not interested in doing, have an expectation when going in for it. And then also surround yourself with your loved ones during that time. And then with that, we sometimes feel that pressure to participate in those gatherings. So sometimes those social gatherings can be overwhelming, especially if you haven't seen, family in a while. So whether it be cousins, aunts, uncles that we're going in to see, sometimes everybody coming in to visit can be a lot. So some things that we can do to help is just take a step away if needed. If you need to go to a quiet room, if you need to take a walk, or even take some time by yourself to meditate, it can really be beneficial, especially in those social situations. Accept your limitations and be patient with others. Always prioritize the most important. So whether that be some time with your family, some time for yourself, prioritize that time. Schedule your upcoming activities and events. Know what's upcoming, know what's going to be, expected. And then also make sure to schedule time for yourself and for self-care. And then remember always, if you feel overwhelmed, it is okay to say no and take a step back. Next up is feeling stressed about gift giving. Gift giving is not all about spending money. So always set yourself realistic expectations and remember to keep a budget. Some ways that you can help out with gift giving, it's not always ideal, is you can have a secret Santa or even a white elephant exchange just to reduce the number of gifts everybody needs to buy and help save some money. If this is not ideal, you can also give the gift of helping by volunteering, help out your neighbor, help out friends, help out family, look up those volunteer opportunities. Giving is not always about the money.